Good morning, student. Today's subject social, class third, fourth classes, and lesson name history of farming and invention of wheel. History of farming in yesterday previous class we learned. I all explained how they are farming the early human beings. I already explained. Today we explain the invention of wheel. Invention of wheel. So invention of wheel. The greatest invention of mankind so far is the wheel. It was the forerunner of the machine age. First of all, what will be invention? See this wheel. See this wheel. How like it. This was first invention wheel. The early man. Early man observed that the load could easily pulled if we was kept one or two rounded logs to wood. Later her attached two circular pieces of wood to wooden rod and kept the load on that. He found that the discus rolled fast when the rod attached to it was pulled by a rope. This was the first ever wheel made by man. See, he what by mission do ante he take the two wood took and later then attached the two wood he attached and circular pieces of that and start the pulling and pushing also. See, he what that pulling pushing means that take one load. What their load have that trolley we wear all loads and pulling pushing start. He found that discus rolled fast then attached and the 4-5 members take one rope. Okay, take one rope and stick it. ఆ రోప్ ని తీసుకొని ఆ పుల్లింగ్ మిషన్ ని వాళ్ళు కట్టుకున్నారు. అయితే 5-6 మెంబర్స్ కలిసి దాన్ని ఆ రోప్ ని పట్టి ఇట్లా లాగితే సో ద మ్యాన్ మిషన్ ఈజ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్. అంటే ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళు ఏం సక్సెస్ అయ్యారంటే ఆ మిషన్ వాళ్ళు ఆ వుడ్తో తయారు చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళతో వాళ్ళు సప్లై అంటే అరే ఇది ఒక వెహికల్ లాగా ఒక మిషన్ లాగా మనకు అని వాళ్ళు తెలుసుకున్నారు. సో ద ఎర్లీ మ్యాన్ వాట్ టు ఫస్ట్ బై ద మ్యాన్ సక్సెస్ దిస్ మిషన్. ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళు ఒక వుడ్తో ఈ మిషన్ ని తయారు చేసుకున్నారు. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్, నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్ సీ హియర్. At a time passed, the wheel took different forms. The most important adaptation of the wheel was the invention of the potter's wheel, making unskilled become very easy with potter's wheel. See here, step by step he improved. Step by step he improved. Lot of implementation there come. The invention will to designing different types of. Now second step, what do he designed the different step of wheel and you use the bullock cart dogs. First of all, what you use the bullock cart dogs cart horse cart and many years later the chariot. Same like that, what invention start the take the animals help and start the cart also. Now here irrigation farming involved the to need water the crop. For this man the canals to drain out water from rivers into the fields. Therefore it was necessary to choose land near rivers for farming. That's where settlement came of the river of banks. See here, next step what do he decided the one small hut. Okay, he planned one hut. He take the different types of glue attached and take potter and he was starting small early houses. See, this house is early. Now here we use the bullock carts. So farming starting here early human small house will be there. So man used to water wheels for pumping water from canals into sub canals loading to the fields. Now starting what start he do water wheeling water pumping. Here there to start the water pumping also. Now tools and implements. Tools and implements, the what they get the tools already I told you in previous lesson. First one he pick up the watch tool and axe Herman him. Okay, now here tools what they see. Farming required the variety of tools like plug, scale, pad, knife, etc. At first man used to wood, stone and animal bone of the combination of the three to make tools and implement this discovery of metals replaced wood and stone wood making tools. Copper was the first metal discovered by man. A few thousand years later, iron replaced copper for making tools and implement. This age of metal is known as the metal age. See what he implemented the two ante. First he take the help of animals bones there no dead animals bones there no that bones he take and started the tools combination. Second thing was the implement discovery metal. Next he took the metal, replaced metal, wood, stone, making the one tool. Next is what the copper. He took the copper and copper making a man discovered copper in 1000 years ago. He that take the copper and he prepared the one making two metal tools also. See here this I picture. These are tools. See is the irrigation. Irrigation means water they supply. Okay. Here is the potter, mud potter. Now the early civilization. As the early settlements were on river banks, they gave rise to river valley civilization. The most ancient among them are the Egyptian civilization, which flourished by the banks of river Nile, Egypt. The most important civilization of the bank of river Euphrates, Tigris in early man, Iran, Iraq. The Chinese civilization on the banks of the river Hongho and Yangtze in China. The Indus Valley civilization of the ancient of the India. Now these places now only will be there. First one is the what the civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization is there Iran, Iraq, and this one China, and this one ancient of civilization means in India. Okay, students. Okay. Thank you.